How to use Netis Cloud. Part 1. Open the browser. Enter the PC web domain name. Access the PC web login page. Click the register button. Enter registration email address. Enter registration password. Enter password confirmation. Request and wait for the email verification code. Enter the email verification code. Click the register button. Enter the registered email address. Enter the account password. Click the login button. Successfully logged in to the project page. Part 2. Open the browser. Access the PC web login page. Enter the username and password. Click the login button. Click the bind device button. Enter the router MAC address. Click the confirm button. Click the create project button. Enter the project name. Click the confirm button. Enter the project management password. Confirm the project management password. Click the confirm button. Click the finish configuration button. Wait for the configuration to complete. Click the view details button. View topology details.